Hi viewers, we present a motivational story about ants. The ants which shows how even the smallest creature can overcome the biggest challenges. Through unity, courage and sacrifice, when a flood separates the ant tribe from their food, their voice leader Ruji leads them to build a living bridge with their own bodies. This heart-touching tale teaches us teamwork can make the impossible possible. Leadership matters most in time of crisis. Even the tiniest lives carry big lesson. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.
On the edge of a vast, sun-drenched forest stood an ancient, magnificent tree. This tree was known not just for its size and beauty, but also for the tiny creatures that lived beneath it. Its roots, thick and gnarled, ran deep into the earth. These roots not only provided stability to the tree, but also enriched the surrounding soil. Its branches, like long arms, reached towards the sky, providing shelter to countless birds and squirrels. These branches held a whole world within them, where every creature had its place. And at the base of this grand old tree, nestled among its roots, lived a small but hard-working colony of ants. These ants toiled day and night to make their little home a safe and thriving place. Every day, these tiny creatures scurried in and out of their nest, carrying crumbs and seeds, gathering food and resources for their community. Their tiny legs worked tirelessly, their small bodies always in motion. They never tired, always focused on their tasks. They lived a simple life, dedicated to their duties, always prepared for the unexpected turns of nature. Rain or shine, they were always at work. They understood the importance of hard work, discipline, and above all, unity. For them, unity was their greatest strength. They believed in the power of their community, for they knew that even the smallest creature can achieve great things when working together. To them, unity meant strength. Their tiny world, a testament to their tireless efforts, was a picture of perfect harmony and cooperation. This little world teaches us how small efforts, when combined, can lead to big results. Among these ants lived a wise and courageous ant named Buji. Buji's name suited her well, for she always displayed intelligence and courage in her decisions. Known for her quick thinking and unwavering spirit, Buji was respected by every ant in the colony. She was always ready to help her companions and eager to face any challenge. She was always the first one out, exploring her surroundings with an insatiable curiosity and a heart full of courage. Buji believed that every day brought a new opportunity, and she was ready to make the most of it. One day, as Buji was exploring the forest floor, she sensed a sudden shift in the air. This change felt unusual and worrisome, for she was adept at sensing even the slightest changes in her environment. The wind, which was usually a gentle touch, now carried a sharp, cold sting. This change was a sign for Buji that something big and unexpected was about to happen. The leaves on the trees rustled nervously, and birds flew low, their chirps laced with anxiety. Seeing all this, Buji became certain that something serious was approaching. Looking up, Buji saw the clear blue sky being consumed by a mass of dark, ominous clouds. This sight worried her further, for she had never witnessed such a thing before. The sun, which was shining brightly just moments ago, disappeared behind the menacing curtain of the approaching storm. The change was so sudden and intense that Buji knew this was no ordinary event. Buji knew that this was no ordinary summer shower. This was going to be a powerful storm, the likes of which she had never seen before. She had to warn her colony about this impending danger immediately so that all the ants could get to safety. Buji ran towards the nest, a strange panic in her stride. Her heart pounded in her chest, as if sensing impending doom. "A storm is coming," she announced, her voice laced with fear and urgency. Her voice trembled slightly. "A big storm," she repeated, as if to convince herself and others. The news spread through the colony like wildfire, throwing everyone into a frenzy of preparation for the impending disaster. And soon, panic gripped the hearts of the ants. Everyone abandoned their tasks and started running. The sky grew even darker, as if signaling a dreadful event, and the wind howled through the trees, as if nature itself was welcoming the storm. The first raindrops fell, heavy and cold, like a summons from an unknown force. A prelude to the deluge that was about to follow. Everyone was trying to escape the impending doom, that was about to follow. The ants, forgetting their usual diligence, scrambled to save themselves from this disaster. The ants, forgetting their usual diligence, started running to save their lives. They ran around in confusion and fear. Their food storage, the fruit of their hard work, was now in danger. The fruit of their hard work was now in danger of being washed away. Everyone was trying to save their share of food, in danger of being washed away. Their home, the anthill that they had built with so much care and effort, was now at risk. Their home, the anthill that they had built with so much care and effort, was in danger. Everyone was trying to save their home. The ants, overwhelmed by the situation, looked at each other in despair. Their tiny faces reflected the fear gripping their hearts. They looked at each other in despair, as if all hope was lost. Their tiny faces reflected the fear gripping their hearts. This storm was about to change their lives.